Welcome to A through Z Reviews, where we bring you our full, honest, and unbiased reviews. And today, we have another nice little product. It is the counterweight drill bit set. And the company sent me these to give my full, honest review. It was sent in a padded envelope, and I have took it out. Now let's see, we're going to open it up and see what we have inside. So it comes in a Ziploc bag with your countersink and drill bits and an Allen wrench. Here's your Allen wrench and your drill bit with the countersink. This is the number 12. And to take the drill bit out, you can loosen up that little thing right there. It's tight, so you want to apply some pressure to it. And then you can take your drill bit out. Now you can, so there's a hole at the bottom here, and you just push your drill bit up through there. Really nice. You can take it out of the top, and you can put it back in from the top, but it's easier to go in and out the bottom. Once you have your drill bit in the way you want it, you just turn around, you tighten it back up, not take it off like I just did. So these drill bits are really nice. I do appreciate the company for sending them to me. So their high durability, the countersink drill bit is proudly made of classic high-speed steel with excellent hardness of HRC 62 through 64. True 82 degrees angle, these pilot screw countersink bits are designed to match the most commonly used woodworking 82 degrees screws you might encounter. Self-cleaning drill bits are precisely fit into the countersink sleeves. Perfect for carpentry. The 2-in-1 design turns two-step countersinking into one-step operation. This makes the perfect countersink hose for both flush set and plugged screws without splitting the wood. Versatile use comes with 5 pieces of replaceable drill bits as a bonus and covers the full range of screw sizes. The countersink bits are ideal for bench drill, hand drill, and conventional electric drill. Perfect for wood, fiber board, particle board, plastic, PVC, rubber, etc. So it's really nice and really good. It is made in Taiwan. See if I can get that to focus. It is made in Taiwan. Really nice. I do thank the company for sending it to me. It does have a lifetime warranty. The company backs up its products with 100% satisfaction guarantee So, very nice. The box wasn't damaged or nothing when I received it. So, I want to thank the company for sending it to me to give my full, honest, and unbiased review of this product. And I will rate this product a 5 out of 5. It was packaged nice. It's made nice. It don't feel cheap. It don't feel like the drill bits will break on you right away. Some other products, the drill bits will just snap right away. This doesn't feel like they'll do that. It feels really good made. So I want to thank you for taking the time to stop and watch this video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. If not, feel free to hit the thumbs down. And if you would like to know when we release videos on more products, please do subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications. May you have a blessed and wonderful day.